Public General Hospital in Westmoreland is facing a severe overcrowding and staffing crisis. Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton says the situation is worsened by 29 social cases occupying the hospital, but he's expecting the situation at the hospital to improve in the next 2 months. Kimberly Petty has that story.
A yellow caution tape and erected steels, a clear indication that work is ongoing at the Savannah Lamar Hospital. The hospital's accident and emergency department was damaged during the hurricane, while the outpatient clinic was completely destroyed. In the aftermath of the hurricane, the facility is also battling several challenges, to include overcrowding.
In all of this, what we're having is overcrowding and overflow, because the demand on the system is high and the facilities are actively under construction.
It's a new year, but the age-old issue of overcrowding persists. In 2023, the facility was struggling with bed spaces, which forced patients to sleep on beach chairs in the waiting area.
So currently the hospital has a capacity of 218 beds. It's now at 298, I'm told. And so between the main building and the field hospital, it's 298. So you can imagine that's much more inpatients than the capacity allows.
And while the already limited staff is trying to cope,
the situation is amplified by 23 social cases, 29 social cases. So over 10% of the beds are occupied by persons who should not be here.
And if that isn't enough, the hospital is struggling to get doctors and nurses to fill vacant positions.
There are staff shortages because there are over 20 doctors' posts that are not filled, not because we don't try to fill them, but we don't have the personnel to fill them.
Meanwhile, Dr. Tufton announced that by March, things will improve, and so he is appealing for patience from the Jamaica Medical Doctors Association and other stakeholders.
And I encourage the associations, the nurses associations, the medical association, to work with us under the circumstances. I'm prepared to sit with them. I'm meeting with them next week. And that intention is to try to appreciate the concerns they have. Genuine concerns, no issues with that. But I also want them and all of us to understand the context in which we are placed in order to provide health care.
His comment come on the heels of a protest by the nurses at the Cornwall Regional Hospital last week over poor working conditions. The minister also toured the Cornwall Regional Hospital, Noel Holmes, and Falmouth Hospital. Kimberly Petty for TVJ News.